High blood pressure is one dangerous health condition which, if left untreated, can lead to a life-threatening health complications such as strokes, kidney failures, cardiac arrest, and sudden death. And because of this, it is indeed very necessary we find a permanent solution to this condition before it becomes too late. And the permanent solution I will recommend to you in this case is green pawpaw leaves. If you are suffering from chronic high blood pressure, get yourself a bunch of green pawpaw leaves such as this one, fresh one, wash them very, very well and dry them in a room temperature for about 3 to 4 days. After 3 to 4 days, you can cook them in a cooking pot with about 2 liters of water. Boil it for at least 40 to 45 minutes. After 40 to 45 minutes, cool off the fire and let the tea cool down. In the morning, drink 1 cup of this tea 30 minutes before you take your breakfast, and then in the afternoon, take another cup 30 minutes before you take your lunch. In the evening, take another 1 cup 30 minutes before you take your dinner. Repeat this therapy for at least 3 to 4 months, and I can assure you that by the end of this 3-4 months therapy, you are going to see a whole lot of improvement as far as your blood pressure is concerned. Thank you very much for watching. Kindly like this video and share to your friends and family and people around you. See you again next